see it. Incredible. Alright guys, so we have something very cool coming up for you. We have a cosplay contest. I know that you all are waiting for this one. We have so many amazing cosplays coming up for you. And we have some amazing judges as well that are going to be judging the cosplays. We have Holly Longdale here, executive producer of World of Warcraft. Give it up for Holly, everybody! Then we do have Ellie Cannon as well, the art director for World of Warcraft. Give it up! And we also have Taliesin and Abigail as well, your fireside host from earlier. Give it up, guys! Come on! Alright, so while the cosplays are going to be presented, I'm going to give you a little bit of the rules and what the judges are going to be looking at, alright? So first, the cosplays are going to come on stage and they're going to present it a little bit. I'm going to ask them some questions. And the cosplays are going to be rated on accuracy. There's going to be 20 points that they're giving for accuracy. It's basically how closely does the cosplay resemble the character that they're trying to present. And are the key features of the character presented well? That's going to be the accuracy point. Then we have the craftsmanship category, and that's how well is the costume made, how are the details of the costume, the neatness, the quality of the costume, and if there was any like creative materials or techniques that were being used to create the cosplay. Alright, that's going to be 30 points, a little bit more than accuracy. Then we do have creativity and originality, which is 25 points. And that's basically, is there something unique on the cosplay? Again, originality, any kind of mashups or redesign of the cosplay. And the last category is going to be stage presence, which is 25 points again. And it's about the confidence, how the cosplay is going to be presented. It's also like the energy, the poses of the cosplayer, and do they bring the character to life on stage they're presenting. Alright, so those are going to be the rules. And now we're going to have our last judge that I didn't mention just yet, and she's going to talk to you guys a little bit. Give it up, guys, for Kamui Cosplay!
Thank you very much, everyone. I hope you guys are extremely excited for the costume competition. I want to let you know that everyone worked extremely hard on the costumes. They worked for weeks and months to create their favorite characters completely from scratch, and I'm incredibly excited to judge the costume competition the very first time. The last costume competition was, I think, in 2018, and I think it's absolutely amazing that Blizzard is bringing back the legendary Blizzard costume competition, and I hope you guys will celebrate everyone here on stage. So please give everyone a huge applause.
Give it up, guys, for Kenikacosplay! the next contestant is Osterfrosch and General Karl. Give it up, guys. The next contestant is a very special one. We have Krau with the Game Master cosplay. Give it up, guys. cosplayers that put so much work into this. Make sure you give them the applause they deserve. Next up, we have Dancingfoxcosplay. Give it up, guys! Something very special coming up, guys. Make sure we make some noise whenever you see that one. We still have quite a few cosplays to go, so make sure you stick around. All right, guys, give it up for our next contestant, huge applause for Kittiexbun! We have such a special cosplay coming up. Just give us one moment. It's huge. Need to see this one. All right, guys, give it up for gonna be talking about the points. I can already see them argue with each other and figure out how many points they're giving for our categories. Alright, it's gonna take a moment. I saw some of these cosplays, they're difficult to walk in. You're doing an amazing job. Alright, so while we wait for everyone to come up on the stage, I have some questions for you guys. First of all, Allaria, what was... First of all, you look amazing. That is absolutely incredible. Is there one thing on your cosplay that was like the most difficult part for you to work on?
It was like, I don't have like one specific part that is very hard to build, but I'm very proud of all the different techniques I use, because like the light up wig is like the first time doing something like that, or wings, it's my first time building wings or a tail. I don't know if you can see it, but I do have a moving tail.
I saw the tail when you walked up the stairs, and I was like, wow, that looks real, like it actually looks real.
Yeah, thank you so much, but yeah, so that was all very like hard to master, or like hard to try out, and yeah.
How did you specifically make the tail look so real?
Thank you so much. It was like, it's like,
you can also say it in German if you have a hard time.
Sorry, I forgot all the words. No, it's so einen Stoffkern innen drinne mit so Füllwatte gefüllt, damit er wirklich auch sich bewegt richtig, und das habe ich dann zusammengenäht und dann habe ich sozusagen die Schuppen oben drauf gemacht und ja.
Wow, that's absolutely incredible. I will translate this for you, but I don't know the words for this one either. Alright, let's see if we have space for everyone here. Yeah. Those wings of space. I'm gonna, let's try to not knock over any screens here. Yeah, you have like, just much, maybe, yeah, one step. Alright, I'm gonna have some questions here for Kenika as well. So, your cosplay, how long did you take to make all of this, approximately?
Approximately 300, 500 hours.
Wow, okay, that's absolutely incredible. Between 300 and 500 hours, amazing. It's a big range, but I guess you work on it like different days, different weeks, however. But how much time did it take you from start to finish, like in actual time?
Actual time, 2 weeks.
2 weeks?
Because I had a vacation and I made it 2 weeks before a big event, so it's done in 2 weeks.
Wow, did you sleep, eat?
No, basically not.
Okay. Who needs that? Alright. What else do we have here? I mean, you just look so amazing. Can you tell me about some of the techniques about specifically how you made the horns? I personally really love the horns.
The horns are carved out of foam, like styrofoam you would use for building houses, and covered with a thermoplastic material to make them sturdy.
Oh, they're very, very pretty. Good job. Is there something on your outfit that you think was especially hard for you to work on? Was there something that you think on your outfit that was like the most difficult, or maybe also something like the technique that was like really hard for you to work on?
To be honest, no.
It's just like, oh, that's just, it comes easy to you, right? It's like, I got this. Alright, well, first of all, you look amazing. I also want to, like, one thing that always surprises me about this cosplays as well is like, how do you get into the cosplays and out of the cosplays, right? Because we see you in this like finished form, right? But you have to think about this when you create the cosplay, that you actually have to put it on and take it off and you have to travel with it, right? What are like one of the biggest problems when it comes to traveling and putting it on and putting it off? Like, what do you have to think about when you create the cosplay?
Yeah, traveling is like, you need like 5 luggages or 5 bags or something like that. So you don't want to squeeze everything together, then it breaks. And I have 2 people with me who help me to get into the cosplay.
So you actually need like other people to get you in and out of the cosplay. Okay, that explains a thing or two, I think. Alright, you also look amazing. I mean, you all do. Is there something in particular that you want me to, that you want to talk about when it comes to your cosplay? Is there something special about it that you use like a special technique on or something in particular?
What was special about my cosplay, it was to put it in a suitcase and travel from Canada to here. So when I was designing this cosplay, I had to think about the materials I'm gonna use and the way I'm gonna put it in the suitcase, right? So my bow had to be detachable, everything must fit in it. So, and like during all the process, I had to think, okay, will it fit in the suitcase? So, yeah.
That is definitely something that, like when you see the finished products, like that's not something that we think about as like non-cosplayer people, but people that create the cosplay, you have to think all of this through, which is incredible to me. Absolutely amazing. So I'm still looking at the judges, see if they're, alright. Okay, I think they might be close to done. Alright. Okay, so once the judges have all of the scores, we're gonna have Kamui come up the stage here and gonna let us know who the winners are. We're gonna have lots of prizes. I did also wanna, before we go into the winners, I also wanted to say that we have a small little something for somebody of the contestants here. This is not like, this has nothing to do with the scoring, but they told me that they were so impressed and they loved the idea, the cosplay so much of our game master that we have a small little something for our game master. Yes. Can we all give it up for the game master, guys? We also have a banhammer here, I see. Who are you betting with this one?
I was looking for Ian Costas. Anybody saw him? No? Still looking. Got a ticket 5 years now. Can't fix it. Sorry.
Yeah, I think that would be a good bet, yeah. Well, if I ever see Ian, then I will definitely let you know, and you're going to use your banhammer. What is it you asked for on your tickets? What did he not fix?
I'm just gonna say it. He didn't fix Red Paladin, and I'm still mad.
Understandable. Thank you so much. We're going to give you a little something afterwards. Thank you so much for representing the Game Masters. And now we have Kamui Cosplay here on the stage, one of our judges. She's going to give us the rundown on the winners and how the score was chosen. Thank you so much, Kamui.
Yeah. First, before I announce the winner, let me say that everyone here is a winner who participated in the costume competition. Like making a costume from scratch and putting all your tears and heart and soul and time and money for the last few weeks and months into making a costume is absolutely outstanding. So please give a huge applause to everyone who participated here.
But just one more time, they put so much effort into it. Come on, guys, give it up for the cosplay! All right, guys. So, can you give me a little bit of the thought process, like first of all for the categories, and then can you also let me know who the third place winner is for this contest, please?
For the costume competition, let me say it was really hard to choose the winners because like all those costumes are just absolutely incredible. But yeah, we looked into the accuracy, how close the costume looks to the character, how well the costume was crafted, the use of materials and different techniques, and you know, like just how creative everyone was also creating the costume, and surely also the stage performance of everyone. So were they able to bring the character truly to life in front of you guys?
Yeah, absolutely incredible. I do agree. All right, so you have the results, right?
Yes, I have the results. I think I'll start first with a special winner because it was so hard to choose. So we actually have 4 winners, and the special winner goes to someone with an excellent craftsmanship, a high attention to detail, and yeah, we just like when we saw her on stage, it really warmed up our heart. The special prize goes to the mother of dragon herself, Alex.
Wow! Congratulations! definitely deserve to get a prize here. Like, that's just absolutely insane that you've done. We talked about your horse earlier and like all of the process that went through it. Do you want to talk a little bit about the rest of the process for your cosplay? If you have anything to say, you don't have to say much. I know it's a lot.
Yeah, sure. The part of this cosplay.
Give it up, guys!
The part of which I'm really proud of is the cell shading technique which I used to paint the whole armor to make it more in-game looking. It's the first time that I tried out to go a bit more comic-y in the paint job, and that's what made it.
I mean, it's amazing. You did an amazing job in trying something like this out for the first time. It turned out so incredibly well. Good job, good job, good job. Give it up, guys.
Great job. We keep on going with the third place, right?
Yes.
The third place was someone I actually never saw before on stage, and I'm judging a lot of costume competitions. And when you see like so much creativity, and you know, like also someone who really dares to challenge something new, to create something completely nobody ever dared to create before, you are really impressed. And we judges, we were very incredibly impressed by General Krau. Go to the front. Give it up, guys. So much attention to detail, amazing craftsmanship. You did so great. We loved your costume.
Absolutely amazing. Do you want to talk a little bit about why you chose to create this character?
I got the better edition and the booklet, and I saw the Stonewall, and especially Kad and I wanted this. I saw it and I said, I need this, I want it, I don't care what they do, they want it. And I love the character, so
That's amazing. I mean, that's the most important thing, that you love the character. Give it up, guys. Well deserved.
So, number 2, right?
Number 2 is coming up.
This was so hard to choose. Oh my god, everyone was just so amazing. But yeah, our number 2 goes to someone with really great attention to detail. And you know, like, when actually making a costume from scratch, you start with like one costume piece and then you make like the bracers, the helmets, and lug armor, and the weapons. Like, just the costume seems never to end. There's like more and more details coming up. And for the number 2, the second place of the costume competition here, we were incredibly blessed by a great attention to detail, plenty of very different materials, and the character just looked like straight out of the game. And the winner is our lovely Allariacosplay.
You look incredible. Sid, I don't know if you can speak with your mask on, but if you can, is there something you want to tell us about your cosplay?
Where's the mojo man?
Congratulations.
Thank you very much. Thank you. So, shall we give a loud applause for all the winners? Are you excited for the first place? Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being here, cheering for everyone. And like I said in the beginning, I'm so happy that the Blizzard costume competition is back again. Everyone is so excited, and I'm incredibly excited to announce the first place. And the first place goes to someone who used lights and armor, wig styling, like plenty of LEDs, like even a smoke machine, make everything from scratch, from armor making to prop making to 3D printing to makeup, and we were incredibly impressed by this amazing craftsmanship, the great presence on stage, and this is Siegerehrung!
Is there something you want to say about your cosplay, or just generally about the crowd, about being here? Anything?
I'm so sorry, I don't want to ruin my makeup.
She's worried about her makeup, guys.
No, but I'm so happy to be here. Thank you so much. Sorry. Thank you so much for the prize. Thank you, judges. And I just wanted, Siegerehrung was like a dream project. There are very few pictures in game of Siegerehrung, like in his demon form, and that's why I illustrated it from a professional cosplay designer. And I wanted to bring Siegerehrung to the cosplay world. I've never seen a Siegerehrung cosplay, so I wanted to be the one to show Siegerehrung can be a cosplay. But the sword is a little bit smaller than the actual one. I'm sorry, but yeah.
Absolutely amazing. Thank you so much, and give it up again for all of the cosplayers.
And before everyone leaves the stage, please all the cosplayers come forward, do a nice group so we can get an amazing photo of all of you. Please come close to the stage here. Come in.
Make sure we don't fall off, guys. Make sure we don't fall off.
Come on. It's time to shine for you guys. Come on. Now take all your photos, the videos, share everything on social media so the whole world can see those amazing cosplayers.
Come on, give it up one more time, guys. Can we do one more picture, guys? If you all turn around, then we can take a picture from this side, so we have the crowd in the background, and you guys need to yell really loud when we do that, and throw up your hands so we get an amazing picture, right? Everybody turn around. All of the cosplay, not you guys. Awesome. Alright, on the three, we throw up our hands and we make an amazing picture, right? 1, 2, 3, give it up, guys! Amazing, thank you so much, guys.
Thank you so much, and also thanks so much to you guys. You are an absolutely amazing audience. Thanks so much for cheering for everyone.